Ever bought a big bag of oranges and realized you can't finish them all? They start drying out, losing that sweet smell, and you think, what a waste. But what if your freezer could save that sunshine flavor? Yes, you can freeze oranges, and it's easier than you think. But there's a right and a wrong way. Freeze them the smart way, and you'll keep that juicy, sweet taste for months. Freezing oranges is perfect if you love smoothies, baking, or zero-waste living. It helps you enjoy natural vitamin C anytime, without worrying about spoilage. And for those who meal prep, frozen orange slices are your secret flavor weapon. Before freezing oranges, start by choosing firm and bright fruits. Avoid soft or overripe ones, as they won't freeze well. Gently wash each orange under cool water to remove any dirt or wax. Then dry them completely with a clean towel. Moisture is the enemy of good freezing. Next, decide how you want to store them: whole, sliced, or as zest and juice. If you plan to freeze slices, peel the oranges carefully and remove any seeds or bits of white pith. This helps preserve their taste and texture. For zest, use a fine grater and freeze it in a small container. And for juice, squeeze it fresh and pour it into ice cube trays. Taking these few extra minutes of preparation makes freezing smoother, thawing easier, and your oranges perfectly ready for any smoothie, dessert, or recipe later. Once your oranges are prepared, place the slices in a single layer on a flat tray lined with parchment paper. Avoid stacking them. This prevents them from sticking together later. Slide the tray into your freezer and let it chill for about 2 to 3 hours until the slices are firm and frosty. Next, transfer the frozen slices into airtight freezer bags or containers, gently pressing out the extra air before sealing. If you're freezing orange juice, pour it into ice cube trays for easy use later in drinks, sauces, or baking. For zest, store it in small labeled jars. Finally, label everything with the date and keep your freezer organized. Done this way, your oranges will stay fresh, flavorful, and ready to brighten up your recipes for up to 6 months. When you're ready to use your frozen oranges, take them out of the freezer and let them thaw slowly in the fridge for a few hours. They'll become softer, perfect for smoothies, cakes, or even savory sauces. If you need them quickly, you can also leave them at room temperature for about 30 minutes. For drinks, frozen orange slices make beautiful ice replacements. They chill your glass while adding a burst of flavor. Frozen orange juice cubes can go straight into smoothies or sparkling water for a fruity, refreshing touch. As for the zest, it can be used directly from frozen. No need to thaw it. Whether it's breakfast, dessert, or a quick recipe, your frozen oranges will always bring that bright, citrusy spark back to your kitchen. So yes, you can freeze oranges, and it's actually one of the easiest ways to keep their freshness all year long. Just remember the golden steps. Choose ripe oranges, wash and dry them carefully, peel and slice, pre-freeze them on a tray, then store them in airtight bags. That's all it takes to lock in their flavor and color. When thawed, they'll be soft, juicy, and ready for anything, from morning smoothies to weekend desserts. And here's a simple bonus tip. Sprinkle a little sugar on your orange slices before freezing them. It helps protect the texture and enhances their natural sweetness. It's a tiny trick that makes a big difference. With just a few minutes of prep, you can enjoy the taste of sunshine anytime, straight from your freezer. Now you'll never waste fresh oranges again. Freezing them is simple, smart, and satisfying. If you love learning calm and useful kitchen tips like this, subscribe to Freezelle, your peaceful space for discovering how to keep food fresh, save time, and enjoy every bite. See you in the next freezing guide.